in the town of Gila Bend, and I'm finally, it's right here in Gila Bend that I'm going to come off of I-8 and move forward, or move north on 85, which is the Phoenix Cutoff Road that runs up to I-10. Buckeye is 32 miles away, and from Buckeye I'm going to take westbound on I-10 out to Salem Road. That's the plan, at least. And then move back up to the ACA Southern Tier. So let's get on the road, 85 north. I've ridden the 34 miles north of Gila Bend on Highway 85, which is a divided 4-lane. Has 15-foot shoulders the entire way, except right here at the very end there's a little spot, maybe a quarter of a mile, that kind of squeezes down. I'm right here at Interstate 10, and what I'm going to do is go on the west. I'm going to take this ramp around and head west on Interstate 10. Got a couple of hours worth of light left. With the intention, I could go straight on through to Quartzsite on Interstate 10. But what I think I'm going to do is go up to the Salome Cutoff Road and bring me right up right back up to Salome, which is on the ACA Southern Tier, and then through the town of Hope and Brenda, and then rejoin I-10 for the downhill slide into Quartzsite. So let's get on I-10. So right here is Tonopah. It's just a truck stop, basically. I think there's a restaurant and an RV park as well. I pulled out maybe a half mile. It's not enough. I should move out further. It's a full moon tonight. Probably up in the next half hour. Anyway, I think I did about Gila Bend to Tonopah, say 60 miles. I got a late start. I'm not exactly sure how far it is into the Salome Cutoff Road. Figure out that tomorrow. I'll probably be in Salome tomorrow before noon. Okay, so I'm on I-10, headed west from Tonopah, where I spent the night outside the little town of Tonopah in the desert. There is a RV park there called Saddle Mountain RV, but when I arrived it was closed. And they had a self-registration board, but it didn't show a tent area or a tent site. And the rates were $32 a night, so I just camped in the desert. I'm here at Salem Road, and I believe it's 25 miles or so. On the other side of these mountains right here is the Southern Tier. It runs parallel on the other side. I was on that on the 1st of January, because I remember it was cold. I actually stayed at a hotel at Salome. We'll look at it today. I might stay at another hotel. I'll stay at the hotel tonight. Anyway, turning off I-10. It's gonna be a whole heck of a lot quieter. And headed for Salome. Okay, I'm on Salem Road. And it's very quiet. It's open range with lots of signs that say watch for cattle, which means that there are no fences along the side of the road. The road has almost no shoulder, but there's also not been a car past me yet, although I'm only maybe 3 miles in, and I expected that. There just isn't going to be a lot of traffic. Anyway, I should be in, I think it's 25 or 30 miles to Salome. So I should be there in 2.5, 3 hours. Salome Road, and I've just come across this BLM marker for Dirt Road 9358. Boy, isn't that nice, going right out into the, I believe that's the Haraquahala Mountains. I couldn't remember the last time, and I looked it up. I think it's Haraquahala. But anyway, little places like this, I mean, this is dispersed camping written all over it. I'm in the town of Salome. I was here a month ago, but the temperature is much different now. It was 25 degrees and snowing the last time I was there. I am here at the Voyager Haven RV Park, and boy, it's a nice one. They want $5 a night. They have showers and a bathroom and a laundry, I guess. There's a code on the laundry door, so there's no one in the office right now. I'm about a mile from the Southern Tier. It's right in the town is about a mile away, so I'm just going to drop down in town and pick up a couple of things and come back up here. I don't have a clue where they want me to camp. I'd like to camp right on the side of the office here. There's a nice big mesquite tree. I like to camp right under that tree right there. We'll see when they get back. I'm gonna go down to the little mini market. Oh, and the Family Dollar here in Salome. Also, there is I believe it's a county park called Centennial Park, about 1.5 miles to the north. To the south. On Salome Road, so there's really only one road in Salome. But I don't know what that charged. It was 2 miles off that road, so I was curious. But I think I'm going to stay here at the Voyager Haven RV Park in Salome.